How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Today we are going to do some waiting for some smallmouth bass. Yes, that's right. It's been a while since we've done any smallmouth bass fishing. It's been a really hot summer, but today is pretty decent. Okay, it's cloudy, it's overcast, it's slightly windy. Hopefully it doesn't rain. I hope the bass are eating today because we're going to be throwing top water, flukes, things that are going to trigger these aggressive fish. So make sure you guys stick around, stay tuned. Let's go have some fun. I'll see you guys out in the river. Let's do this. Wow, it's been so long since I've been here. It feels nice. I'll see you guys once we get to the spot. We got a long way to go, so stick around. All right. Whew. We finally made it to the first destination. Bro, that was like a 30-minute walk. Holy cow. Tiring as heck. The current too. Yeah, it'll get you. So this is what we're throwing today. Like I said in video, flukes, you know, some top water, or sort of, whatever. I got a mega bass on right now. Got my Piece of Fun reel with me, just Carbon X CS. All right, my 7-foot medium. Let's try to stick some smallies today. Do I know if it's gonna happen? Nope. We're gonna try, okay? It's like I said, it's overcast, the fish could be anywhere. I might have to switch over to like a fluke style, or maybe I got some bullaway and some bandito bug. Might even have to flip, I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll have some fun. Let's do this. And for the smallies, if they're there, boom. Like, it doesn't take long at all. They're wild as heck. That's just how they are. Nothing yet, eh? Wow. Oh, I gotta blow up. It missed. Okay, good. It's a good sign. Alright. I cast that top water for a little while now, and nothing, sadly. So let's go to fluke. First we need to tie on a leader. Did I even bring a leader? You don't have to, but I like to, just for visibility wise. Not for me, but you know, to hide the braid. Water is freaking clear. I'm surprised. 17-pound test. Some days is like that, you know. Just gotta switch it up. Might just be a dust stick fluke bite, you know. Cast it in there, let it drift, give it a couple twitch, and they'll grab it, hopefully. Alright, we're all switched up. Fluke style. Let's do this. It is a lighter profile, so I'm gonna have to get closer to my targets. Hopefully not, but I wouldn't be surprised if I have to. Holy smoke, it's super light. Oh, I just missed. Got him. Yep. Oh, it popped off. No. What? Oh, God, I was not ready for that, dude. How? No way. That was a good fish. Ah, freaking A. Just letting it drift, too. Check out. Whoa. It's not a giant, but got the skunk out the boat. Dude, my lure was hanging on a tree too. That was funny. Yeah. You are freaking brown, dude. Fall color, alright. Yeah, 4 total left. See how that goes, right? Should make it work. I mean, I have top water and stuff too, but it seems like fluke is working. Got him. That's a good one. Yep, that's a big one, dude. It's going right at me. That's a big one. Oh shit. I got a whole snap, dude. That's a giant. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whoa, that was so fast. Oh. Hold on, make sure my screen's clean. Oh. Dude, that's a freaking giant. Not like giant, but you know, like, you know what I'm trying to say, big. Wow. What the heck? dude, that's crazy. That's a nice freaking smallie. Holy smoke, that's a beautiful smallie. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. It's like 2.5 pounds. Might be pushing 3. Look how big it is. Woo. Oh my goodness. That's wild, man. I did not bring my camera setup, so we're just gonna watch it from here. Look at how beautiful and gorgeous that fish is. Oh my goodness, dude. Alright, catch and release. Look at that thing. Beautiful fish. Let's see. Yep, sometimes you gotta hit up all these visual laydowns because they could be right up against it. It's a little riskier, but whatever, right? YOLO. Got him. Little guy. There you go. Giant, see that? Biggins living under trees. Yeah. It's running right at me. Dang. Holy smoke, dude. Why do you guys fight so freaking hard? Jeez. These fish are wild, man. Oh, it smells so good. Good fish. Got him. Yep, that's a big one. That's a nice one. That's a big one, dude. Oh my gosh. Dude, that one's nice. Oh, yes, dude. That's another good fish. Holy smoke. Going to shower. Dude, that's a freaking tank. Oh gosh. Dude, that's a nice freaking fish. Wow, so freaking solid, man. Look how gold they are. I should say like bronze, right? Annihilate the freaking fluke. Holy jacket, man. There we go. Sheesh. That's a beautiful freaking fish. Wow, dude. Insane freaking day. Wow, look at that thing. Gorgeous fish. Holy smoke. Let's go under my leg. Oh, there he goes. See ya. Yes. Alright, guys. Made it to this island. Whew. I'm gonna take a snack. Fishing is good. I didn't expect any crazy like outing or anything like that. So far we caught fish. I'm debating what I want to do lure choice wise, but I don't know. Fluke is working really good. I got 2 left, so might as well use it up, right? I miss doing this. It's tiring, but I sure do miss it. Just stick around. Oh no! Dude, that was a good one. How did I miss? No, how did I miss? Dude, that was a good one. I jacked them. Crap. How did it freaking miss? Got him. Oh, it popped off. Man, what's up with these hooks? Not a fan, guys. Not a fan. Popping off like crazy. Alright Alright, so the brand I was using earlier was Owners. Now I'm using Gamakatsu. Let's see if that helps. But that was already like 2-3 fish that came off. So it's fair to say, like, I don't know, that brand kind of disappointed me now. Yep, got him this time. Small guy, but still, hookup's way better. Much better. That's how it should be, you know. See ya, dude. Good fight. That's a big one. Big. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's a giant. Oh shit. That's a big one. Oh my gosh. He's huge. No. Oh my gosh. I can't get this thing. Oh my gosh, he's huge. Oh, it's in the nets. That was a terrible landing job. Dude, what the heck? Look at this thing. Oh my gosh. Bro, it's like a 3-pounder. Dude, it's like a 3-pounder. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. In like ankle water, dude. Oh my gosh. Freaking shaking. Hold on, guys. Bro, keep him in the net. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys. Woo! We just caught ourselves a giant for the river. This is freaking nice, dude. Look at that thing. Look how big this fish is. Holy smoke, dude. That's like a 3-pounder. Wow, man. That's freaking insane. Oh my gosh, dude. Let's see if I can focus on the fish. Let's let it go. Big old fish, dude. Look how long it is. It's such a long fish. Alright, man. Yep. She's ready to go. Oh, yes, dude. Hell yeah. It broke me off. No. It broke me off. It broke out by the leader. Nope, never mind. It broke out right by the line. See, should have retied. I didn't listen to myself. Oh. Bro, I actually got another bag. Let's go. Let's go, dude. I actually got another bag. I thought I was out. No freaking way, man. I swear I was out, guys. I only brought one bag in my pocket. Oh, yes. Whoa. You can see that? What the freak? Bro, I'll just cast it back here. What the hell? Oh shit. Dude, what the heck? Dude, I missed him again. What? Alright, it's a bass back here. Freaking bass back here, and I missed him twice. Well, it missed me actually. What? You serious? Ah. What the heck? It's a decent one. Oh, juice. Let's go. Oh, jeez. Not paying attention. Not a giant, but it's a stocky dude. Dude, you're short and stubby, bro. What the heck? Freaking adorable as heck. There we go. Look how short and stubby it is. Wow, that's so cool. Alright, see ya, buddy. Good fight. Alright, so I think that's it. Just last cast here and call it a day, because that was fun, man. My ankles are sore from all the rocks. My thumb's all chewed up. The bite did slow down too, so let's go.